Hello, this is Judy from Judy's Handmade Creation, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing a project and a tool that I use. The tool that I used was the Artistic Wire, the 3D wire jig. I already opened this, and this creates bracelets. On the back it says creates bangle bracelets, cup bracelets, and curved components. So here's the back of it. I like showing the package that it came in so you'll know in case you want to go purchase it. I had already opened it. And it comes with these metal, it comes with 20 metal pegs. Okay, 20 of those. 20 of the plastic backings. These here. And it comes with the one jig. That's the jig here. And it comes with directions on creating your first project. And the project in the instruction book is this one here. That's the project that's in this book. Gives you detailed instructions how to make that. Okay, I'll show you a little bit about this. This here is where you design your jewelry. You take these pegs and you put in here, and you can put in the backings. They go back here. You can make your design any way you like. Move your pegs around like this and just put your backings, or you can leave it going straight. You can put it anywhere. So you put your backings and clear backings on here. You can see it through there where I put that one to hold your peg in place. And just design whatever you want, your bracelet or your necklace components or earring components or whatever you're going to do. And for my project, I used a 20 gauge artistic wire, and this is the 10 copper wire. It's got like a silver over top of a copper. And the project that I made was a cuff bracelet. I created this cuff bracelet. And to create this, I used 48 inches of the wire. And I'll show you a little bit. I'll put like the pegs here. I'm not going to demonstrate how to make it. Not unless somebody wants to know how I did it. And then I'll make a tutorial on it. So I put my pegs in like this, and I just took my wire and made a loop, left about 3 inches here, and just wrapped it around back and forth, back and forth, back and forth to make this opening. And then you have a long piece of wire, and then what you do is you put your beads on, go around 3 times, move up to the next one, go around 3 times, put a bead on. That's how I did this design. But I'm not going to demonstrate it, not unless somebody would want me to. I'm just going to show you. This is just a project share. And the tool that I used to create this. And this can be adjusted to a wrist, and I guess it would be, this is like one size would fit most. And you can just squeeze it together if your wrist is small like mine. Now it looks like a bangle bracelet. And I used, these are flat flat crackle beads that I had in my stash. It's got like a little glass broke. These are glass beads. And yeah, that's about how you squeeze it together. And I'll show you, like, you take it off. It'll come on shape, but you can shape it back in place. And see how the inside, where the beads are. And here. And then that's about a little bit how I made this with that artistic wire. Artistic wire and the 3D bracelet jig. And it can be stretched open. And you can bend it on the wrist. And I'm going to be making some more projects, so check back to see those if you like making wire jewelry on a jig, on a wire jig, a bracelet jig. And it's a very pretty bracelet. And if you don't want to use glass beads, you can use acrylic beads. And that's about how it looks. I only use 5 beads on this. You could probably use more beads. As many beads as you like. But I really like the outcome of it. This is a cuff bracelet. And you just cuff it on your arm, because if bangle bracelets are always too big for my wrist, because I have a very small wrist. And they're always too big. So I always try to make a bracelet that I can adjust on here on my wrist. And yeah, that's a very pretty bracelet with this jig here. And you don't get these. You have these are cases that I usually put my beads in, my seed beads, but I put my little pegs and peg backings in here so I wouldn't lose them. And that's about it. And that is the bracelet that I made with this 3D bracelet jig. And it's very pretty. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Have a blessed weekend. Don't forget to subscribe. And see you on my next video. Bye-bye.